My turn!
Slowly.
My turn!
Careful.
My turn!
Ready?
Hello, stupid wind-up toy.
Check this out. Go, Kevin, go! Awesome!
World record, here we come! Plural pronoun!
Oh dear!
Getting up! I like blankets with little fringes on. Fitting!
Yeah, yeah. 56 body slams in a row.
Yeah, right. You don't have a rocket car.
Oh, then how do you explain this baguette? I picked it up on a fuel stop in France. And I got this Chinese food in Thailand. Record-breaking rocket car.
All right, moo goo guy dork. Let's see your rocket car.
Does it have shiny things?
How fast does it go, Rocket Man?
Does it have knobs?
Come see for yourself. Just down the lane.
Oh boy! Show us, Eddie!
Right. Let's go.
To the rocket car!
Excellent idea.
What?
After you!
Please lead the way.
Right this way!
You first.
Watch your step!
Follow the yellow brick road.